Hello, I'm Dragoș from Retest.com, and in this video I would like to show you how you can easily optimize your analytics code so your site can load faster and have a better experience for your users. I'm using Google Analytics to track the visitors that are coming to my website, and utilizing these scripts can load your site, and it is better to optimize these scripts so it can load faster and reduce your site load time. In this video we will see how we can do this easily with the help of a plugin. So right now, if we check my website, you will see that I have installed as a WordPress plugin the Google Analytics from Monster Insights. This is a heavy plugin, and also it's adding some details in the admin dashboard of WordPress that I don't need. So I would like to speed up my website and optimize this analytics code. Right now, if we check the load time for my website, you can see that it's loading in 2.5 seconds. I've chosen this page that doesn't have a lot of images or a lot of things on it, so I've made a test. So the total page size is 306 kilobytes and we have 31 requests. I'll hit again the retest. Basically it should tell us again what is happening. I'm doing this, the server is in US, but I'm doing this test for Canada, so you can see the now loaded a little faster. This depends on what is happening on this site or in the server, but the total page size and the requests are the same. This is the Google Analytics code. It has 18 kilobytes, and yeah, it's loading in a couple of milliseconds, 116. So right now what we're gonna do is to install this flying analytics by UP Speed Matters. This will optimize the analytics code, and it has also a minimum analytics that is perfect for the ones that doesn't have advanced analytics optimizations. I don't have anything like that, so I'm just trying to see the visitors and from where they come on my website. Yeah, this plugin has 5 stars, and it's lightweight, and it's done by Retest, which I have discovered recently. It has some interesting plugins and it has some really nice tips on its website, UP Speed Matters. So next, let's go and start optimizing the website. So first thing is to deactivate this plugin, the Monster Insights one. I will delete it because I will not need it. What we should do next is add a new plugin, and we copy the Flying Analytics name from here. We paste it here to search it, hit enter. Okay, this is the plugin. We just install it and activate it. So right now the plugin it's installed, but we need to go and configure it and put our tracking ID. So we can go here in settings, or if not, you have this in settings, Flying Analytics, and in this area you need to put your Google tracking analysis ID. It's already showing here because I've tested before this video and the configuration remains. So if you want to find this tracking ID and you don't know from where to take it, you just need to log into Analytics. Here is my WordPress site, and you need to go into admin area, and here you have the tracking info for the website, and here for instance you have the tracking code, and in the tracking code you should have the tracking ID is this one, and you just copy it from here you type it and you put it here in the plugin. So here you have the options. If you are using G tag and the full analytics code, the minimum analytics code, and the minimum inline analytics code. So the minimal analytics code is just using a JS file. So in case you're using a CDN, it's better to use this one because you are because the JS will be loaded through a CDN, but it will have this extra request. This minimal analytics inline, it will add the details directly into the HTML code. So right now I'm not using a CDN on this website, so I will choose this. I will hit save, and here you have also the options to disable the login for admins. Here you have some FAQ if you want to check it, that it will explain what I have said. So right now we have the plugin installed and configured. I will clear the cache, and what we can do next is to do a retest here and see what is happening with this. So I will hit retest. I think I'll need to do it maybe 2 times for the cache to be populated. Let's see the new results. So the size of the website should be smaller, and also the request should be less. So right now the site it's loading in 2.3 seconds, but yeah, this depends on the server, and the first hit was without cache, but here you can see that the page size decreased and the request also decreased, the page score increased. So let's do this test again and see when the cache is activated what is happening. Basically you should see a slight improvement in the load time, but this depends also on the server, what is happening there. So yeah, as you can see right now we have 1.6 and the total page size is reduced, same page score and everything. Yeah, right now the analytics code it's very small, it's only 35 bits and it's loaded faster. So in this way you can increase your website load time by optimizing the analytics on your website. Of course, there are some plugins that are caching plugins that are preloading this analytics code, so you can use that instead of this, but I'm recommending this plugin because also it's reducing the size of the analytics, and it is easy to install, and it does all the job for you. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe and like it. Have a nice day.